Sound testing. 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Do my 10, folks. Had a song in my head. She didn't leave you just because she can. She left your sorry ass because she caught you with a man. A man. She caught you with a man. Had those dreams of walking across the sand, watching the waves roll in, seeing your children running across the beach, shaking the sand out your baby's hair. Can you see? She went back and caught you with a man. With a man, motherfucking man. Nah, I don't think I came out right on. Whatever. Just because she really because she got a man. Didn't leave you just because she can. She left you cause she caught you sleeping with another man. A man. A man. She dreamed of the day when you tied the knot. The world was rolling around and everything you got. It was great. Everything was great. Everything was on time. Summer rolled in and you hung with your friend. Time and time again and again. Not making it home till the next morning ended. I say to you, she caught you with a man. A man. Homo thuggin', kinda actin' hard. Deep down inside, we know your shit is scarred.